Hello, my name is Fred Boggs of BTP Bike Shop. Come and see these cool Activ Life 2 tire pack LED bike wheel lights for your bike. Be cool. As seen on NBC, ABC, CBS, and Fox. These are the #1 best-selling LED bike wheel lights you've seen and love. Attract attention and compliments everywhere you go. Get ready to ride in style. Perfect gifts. Our super cool bike lights come in a full color gift box with long-lasting batteries included. Extremely popular Christmas gifts and stocking stuffers. Fun birthday presents all year long for men, women, girls, and boys of all ages. We created Activ Lites with you in mind. They have this lifetime warranty. Designed and patented in America, our waterproof, durable Activ Lites will light up your bicycle spokes, rims, and tires for years to come. You also get a free manufacturer's lifetime warranty. Fast, easy installation. Our free installation video will have you set up quickly with no tools required. Disclaimer: as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. There are many 5-star reviews on Amazon. You must see for yourself how they love these things. We will accept your suggestion cordially and add that to our next top-rated bike wheel lights list this year. Don't miss this in-depth review of the top bike wheel lights for the money, and enjoy your first or new bike wheel lights buying. Thank you. I'm Fred. Activ Bike Shop, //shops.com/bike shop.